Do you want to pair your Huawei MatePad or MatePad Air to your Samsung smart monitor? Well, this is how you do it. First, we're going to make sure that the TV's on. Then we're going to go ahead and go to settings. From settings, we're going to go to Nearlink and Bluetooth. So go ahead and click that. Under other devices, you should see your smart monitor pop up. So it's right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then on the TV, it will, or on the monitor, it will ask for permission. We're going to go ahead and put allow. I'm going to push pair, and now it should be set up. So let's wait. And yes, now it's connected. One thing I have to tell you though, with Bluetooth, you can only listen to music and sound. And so that's one drawback. I made another video about it if you want to watch videos. So go ahead and click or watch those videos if you need that. Otherwise, let me show you how to disconnect. And first, you can also, if you want, you can also make picture off so that it's just playing music in the background, and then push the remote control to turn it back on. So turn it off, turn it back on. And then if we want to exit, we could go ahead and exit from the monitor. Now, let me go ahead and show you how to disconnect. We're just going to go ahead and go to the I if we want to unpair, and now it will be unpaired. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like, comment, and subscribe.